Hello everyone, welcome to our training today about Zoom User Guide. This training is part of the continuing ICT education program of the Regional Information and Communications Technology Management Division called EITeach. The EITeach Pro 6 is an ICT-related initiative of our RICTMD 6 aligned with the PNP ICT Master Plan SMART policing and governed by PNP Memorandum Circular No. 2010-17 dated September 9, 2010, which authorizes the use of government ICT equipment, facilities, or properties. With the rise of teleconferencing as a necessity rather than a luxury in our modern world, mastering the art of seamless online meetings has become an essential skill set. One of the most popular platforms for video conferencing is Zoom, and we have prepared a user guide that will help you get started. First, let's talk about how to log into a Zoom conference. Receiving the meeting info, open Zoom. There are two ways to join a meeting. You may join a meeting by signing in or simply by clicking the link that was sent to you. Entering the meeting ID. Once you have clicked the link, this will be the page that will pop up, and here you are required to enter the meeting ID. Then after clicking the join button, it will automatically be generated by the system. After entering the meeting ID, you will now be prompted to enter your name. This is the name that will appear in the meeting, so make sure to enter the correct spelling. If the host requires a password to enter the meeting, you may enter it in the next field after entering your name and password. You now have joined the meeting. However, if the host has enabled a waiting room, you will need to wait for the host to admit you to the meeting. Next, let's discuss how to send photos and videos in Zoom chat. You can send files such as photos and videos via the chat option during the meeting. First, join the Zoom meeting. Next, click on the chat icon under the meeting title. And here you can already see the chat window. And in this chat window, you can already see a paperclip icon. Upon clicking that, you will now be prompted to browse for the file you want to send. You can choose files from your computer or from one of these cloud storage, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and Box. Simply select the file you wish to send and click Open to upload the file. Once uploaded, the file will appear in the chat window and other participants can now view the shared file. The host has the option to turn on the file sharing feature to allow participants to share files as well. Note that the maximum file size limit is 500 megabytes. If your file exceeds the limit, you will need to reduce the size of the file before uploading. Lastly, let us tackle how to share photos and videos on screen. You can share your screen to display a photo or video during a meeting. First, join the Zoom meeting. Next, click the green screen icon on the toolbar under the meeting title. A new window will open, displaying the window and apps available to share. To share a photo, select the window or app where the image is located, for example, an image viewer or PowerPoint presentation. Then click the share button. If you want to share a video and play it during the meeting, you can do so by following these steps. First, open the video on your computer. Then in the share screen window, check the share sound and optimize for video clip boxes. Next, select the video player window, for example, the LC Media Player or Windows Media Player. Then click the share button. It is recommended to play the video in full screen for better viewing of participants. We hope that this training has provided you with useful information about Zoom. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative tech videos. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Goodbye.